What's going on, everybody? This is Phil from Millennial Money Gains, and welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, we are going to be talking about Apple stock. Now, yes, there is no intro needed for Apple, but I still am feeling a little bit sick from COVID. I've had lasting effects and a lasting cough, so if that does happen in this video, I do apologize in advance, but we're going to keep it raw. We're going to keep it real with you guys. If you guys are hyped to speak about Apple, then please make sure you smash that like button. It really does help out the channel. It really does help me out as well. Also, if you guys want to join the family, hit that subscribe button down below so you guys don't miss a video. We post here 2 times per week, every Sunday and every Tuesday. I know I've been slacking lately, but I have been sick these past couple of days, past couple of weeks. So, but we're getting back to the grind. We'll be posting it every Sunday and every Tuesday. We got some other things in the works right now, so I have been very busy, but we'll get back to it. But now let's talk about Apple. So Apple needs no introduction, right? Everybody knows Apple. Everybody should. This is not financial advice, but everybody should have some exposure to Apple, whether it's through an index fund, whether it's through the individual stock. I think Apple, it's the largest company in the world, but also I believe that everyone should be exposed to the growth of this company. We're going to hop right in. Apple is down currently 19% year to date. It's currently trading at under $150, $147.11 at the time I am making this video. And I do still think this one has room to drop. It's currently sitting with a 23.94 PE ratio. That's a forward PE ratio. It has a market cap of $2.31 trillion. I do think Apple will continue to come down with the rest of the market. So we can probably expect to see this one get into the 130s, maybe even lower. But I am buying every single chance I get. I currently own 15 shares of Apple, and I am trying to increase that dramatically. I want Apple to be one of the top positions in my portfolio. I really want it to be my largest position because it is such a valuable company. So I will continue to add and keep collecting the small little dividends. I did just get paid a dividend for the month of May. Very small because, like I said, I only have 15 shares. But we will go over all the dividends and stuff in the dividend video for May, which you guys can expect at the end of the month. So year to date, like I said, 19% in the past 1 month, down 10.5%. Let's take a look at their dividend stats. We all know it's small, but let's take a look anyway. Apple currently pays a 0.63% dividend yield. They have a payout ratio of a very small 14.29%. They are growing their dividend. Their 5-year dividend growth rate is 8.75%. I do think they should be increasing that more, but if it gets them more profits to keep the dividend low, then so be it. They did just increase their dividend. They used to pay 22 cents a share, and they bumped it up to 23 cents a share. They have dividend growth for the past 9 years, and I expect that to continue growing every single year. I want to see Apple's payout ratio eventually up to 40%, to where we are getting a really nice dividend. They do pay their dividend on a quarterly basis. I do believe Apple's dividend will continue to grow, and it will be one of the major dividend payers in my portfolio in the future. Let's go over to their financials. No introduction needed for them, but let's take a look at their income. In September of 2017, income was $229 billion. $229 billion. That is absolutely ridiculous. And then in 2021, they have almost doubled that to $365 billion. A little bit less than double, but you guys get the point. $365 billion in 2021. And now those numbers continue to grow. Let's take a look at their balance sheet, right? We want to see them buying back some shares. They have $35 billion or so of cash on hand right now. We want to see them buying back some of those shares. So let's take a look at their shares. Current shares outstanding. They had 20.5 billion shares outstanding as of 2017, and now they're sitting at 16.4 billion shares outstanding. So they have been buying their shares back pretty aggressively. That's a pretty decent share buyback there. Every single year they are buying back more shares in order to decrease the total shares outstanding and to increase shareholder value. The more shares that they buy back, the less shares that are available, which means the more money your shares are worth. Let's take a look at their cash flow. Net income, $48 billion in 2017, up to $94 billion, almost $95 billion in 2021. Seriously, there's just nothing to say about this company, and they are coming down to a pretty decent price. In my opinion, stock price will continue to drop with the rest of the market. Remember, we do look for anything with a PE ratio of about 20 or less, but with a company like Apple, you just cannot get, you need to pay a little bit of a premium. The only time to get them not on a premium is with a crash. It's what is happening right now. So everyone needs to take advantage when prices drop like this. It is very important that everyone takes advantage, because we haven't seen these. The last time we saw these prices have been in October of 2021, which I know hasn't been that long, but for other stocks, some stocks are down 60, like Coinbase 80%. It's just out of control, some of these stocks that they're down, and it's all due to interest rates and just the overall market sentiment has been very fearful lately. And as Warren Buffett says, buy when others are fearful and be greedy. Be greedy when others are fearful and be scared when others are greedy. Right? So obviously paraphrasing there, but you get the point. My mind is not there right now. You guys get the point. Buy when others are fearful. The time is right now. People are fearful. People are selling off. Bitcoin has even crashed down to under $30,000. It's just an incredible time. This is the time that millionaires and long-term investors will be made, because prices are dropping and they're getting pretty damn cheap. I still think they're going to get cheaper, but I am dollar cost averaging every single 2 weeks. Every single time I'm getting paid, I am dollar cost averaging into the market. I'm dollar cost averaging into the market and staying consistent. I am putting in at least $1,000 a month into the stock market, because that's all I can really do right now. I am investing in other places as well, such as crypto and other things in a business, which I haven't talked about on here yet, but I will talk about in the future. But that's going to about sum it up on Apple. Obviously, I went on a tangent here a little bit, going all over the place, but ticker symbol AAPL. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know who owns Apple. Obviously, there's a lot of skeptical saying it's way overrated, way overpriced, which it can still be said that it's overpriced, but in my opinion, a 24 PE ratio for the best company or the largest company in the world, not really that overpriced. I will buy up all the shares that I can. And let me know what you guys are doing. If you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure you please make sure you hit that like button. COVID's really kicking my ass here. But if you guys want to join the family, hit that subscribe button down below. Keeping it real, keeping it raw. I appreciate you all. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.